What is the average electrician salary in Venezuela? The average salary of an electrician in Venezuela is $3,700 a year. After tax, that average annual gross salary drops to $3,200, which leaves you with roughly $267 in monthly take-home pay. While those average electrician wages apply nationwide, living in Caracas brings in noticeably more, since the after-tax income there goes up to $3,800. Living in the capital means higher earnings, but extra costs usually balance it out. On top of that location difference, entry-level workers earn well below those figures, though electrician pay grows fast as you gain practical experience. That growth eventually slows down unless you move into supervision. Getting a university degree helps you break through that ceiling, because higher education allows you to move into high-paying roles like electrical engineer or project manager. Choosing a complex specialization also adds to your electrician income, so mastering advanced systems is one of the best ways to earn more. If you ever wondered how much does an electrician make in Venezuela, your total skills dictate your ultimate pay. That is how electrician salary in Venezuela works for most workers today.